Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, the question is related to the ratio, and the question is the respective ratio between the speeds of a car, a jeep and a tractor is in the ratio that is 3:5:2. The speed of the jeep is 250% the speed of the tractor, which covers 360 km in 12 hours. What is the average speed of car and jeep together? So here we have to find out the average speed of car and the jeep. But before finding the average speed of car and jeep, we have to find out the speeds of the car and jeep that covers in 1 hour. So here we are having the ratio of the speed of the car, jeep and tractor. So here the first thing which we take, let their speeds be that is 3x, 5x and 2x. So this is the speed of the car, and 5x is the speed of jeep, and this 2x is the speed of the tractor. So if you look in the question, that we are having only the speed given by in the question, that is of the tractor. So here the tractor covers the speed of the tractor that is how much. So we will try to find out its tricks and shortcuts to solve it out, because in a competitive exam there is a very little time. So here we are having the speed of the tractor that is 360 km in how much? In 12 hours. So in 1 hour it covers, that is, so here 12 ones are and 12 30s are. So this is the 30 is the speed of the tractor kilometer per hour, and this is also the exact speed of a tractor. The tractor does not runs more than 30 km in hours. This is the original speed of any tractor, and now we are having the speed for a tractor, and for this we have to find out the speed of a car. So this is for car, this is jeep, and this was for tractor. I hope till here you have completely understood. Now if you want to find out the speed of car and jeep, so we are having the speed and the ratio for the tractor, that is 2x. So therefore 2x is equal to, that is how much? The speed of the tractor, that is 30 km per hour. And to find out x, we do, that is x is equal to 30 divided by 2. So 2 ones are and 2 15s are. So here we have just got the value of x, that is 15. I hope till here you have completely understood. Now to find out the speed of a jeep, so therefore speed of the jeep. So here the speed of the jeep, that is in the ratio, that is 5x. So here 5x is equal to, that is 5 multiplied by x, and the value of x we are having, that is 15. So this becomes, that is how much? So 15 multiplied by 5, we get here the speed for the jeep, that is 75 km per hour. And the speed of car, so this ratio for the car speed we are having, that is 3x. And now we will be able to find out the speed of the car, so that is 3x, and this becomes, that is 3 multiplied by x, and we have just found out the value of x, that was 15. So 3 multiplied by 15, we get here the answer, that is how much? That is 45 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed for car, and this is the speed of the Jeep. Now we have just found out the speed for the Jeep and the car, and in the question if you see that it says that what is the average speed of car and Jeep together. So we know the formula for the average, that is sum of all the values divided by total number of values. So here the average speed of car and Jeep together, so we are having the average speed, that is so 75 for Jeep plus 45 for the car upon 2. So this is the formula for the average, and that is sum of all the values. So we have just taken sum for the values divided by the total number of elements. So we are having the element that are 2. One is car and the other is the Jeep, and this becomes, that is 120 divided by 2. So 2 ones are and 2 60s are, and the average we are having, that is average speed for both, that is 60 kilometer per hour, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood the question and the method. So thank you very